Welcome back. Nice to see you, and it is my pleasure to have you here. Today's recipe is to stir-fry celery with traditional tofu. Hope you like it. This is a simple, refreshing, and non-greasy home-cooked dish that is suitable for the whole family. Welcome to subscribe my channel and save this recipe so you may refer back when you need this recipe. Ingredients: celery, traditional tofu, chopped garlic. Peel and cut celery into sections. The main reason for peeling celery is to improve the taste and texture of the dish. The main reasons for peeling celery are to make it taste better, to facilitate digestion, to improve the appearance, and to remove pesticide residues or dirt on the surface to ensure safety. The traditional tofu I used is already fried. Just cut it into small pieces. Stir-fry chopped garlic until fragrant. Add tofu and stir-fry. Add celery. Seasoning: 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Add a tablespoon water from side of wok. The time for frying celery depends on personal taste and cooking method. Usually 2 to 5 minutes ** is appropriate. 1 ** crispy and tender taste **. Fry quickly over high heat for 2 to 3 minutes. The celery remains crisp and tender, and the color is bright. 2 ** soft and cooked taste **. Fry over medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes. The celery is softer, suitable for people who like soft texture. It's easy and easy to be eaten. The taste of celery can be described as a small personality in freshness. It is like **, refreshing gentleman **, with a faint herbal aroma, crisp and tender in the mouth, with a hint of subtle sweetness, but without losing its own little stubbornness, with a slight bitterness. It is this bitterness that makes it particularly unique. By the way, if you are looking for delicious recipes, welcome to check out my recipe playlist. There are 4,000 of delicious recipes on my YouTube. Check it out for more delicious recipes. I will upload bilingual video recipes every day. Chinese video will be uploaded at noon, while English version at 8:30 p.m. Welcome to follow and save recipes you like. Remember to follow my channel so you will be able to find me when you need cooking inspiration. I found some information about ingredient of this recipe on the internet and I'd like to share it with you. *******. Celery is not just an ordinary supporting role in the dish. Its nutrition can be called **** green medicine box ****. It is low-key but powerful. Come and disassemble its nutritional code together. Asterisk gives ********. Nutrition highlights, like a superhero team. ****, captain of dietary fiber, gives celery, is **** intestinal cleaner ****, with high fiber content, helping you clean up the garbage, and specializing in difficulty in urination. K** gives 100K 30%, *****. Vitamin K agent gives every 100 grams meets 30% of the daily vitamin K requirement, which can be called **** bone bodyguard ****, silently strengthening your calcium defense line. ***** gives 100,000 to 160. Potassium night gives the potassium content is higher than that of bananas, about 260 milligrams per 100 grams, specializing in fighting hypertension monsters and stabilizing heartbeat rhythm. **** gives vitamin C hermit gives, although not as ostentatious as citrus, it has high antioxidant power, secretly helping you fight free radicals and delay cell aging. **** health skills, max out your skill points. Fat reducing buff absurdly low calories. 100 grams approximately equals 16 calories. Eating a plate of it approximately equals chewing air. Dieters are delighted. Natural diuretic the water content is as high as 95%, and it feels like you have your own drainage pump after eating it, a magical tool for eliminating edema. Breath savior chewing a piece of raw celery kill the garlic smell and it is more green arrow than chewing gum. I share delicious recipes every day, so don't miss it. Thanks for watching. See you in next video.